Somebody decided it was time to tear up a toy. He's feeling better today. It's hard to keep him from doing zoomies. What are you doing with that toy? Oh, let me see. Let me see. Sullivan, do you want it? Tell Mama. Mama, Mama, Mama. Say, oh, Mama's. Tell Mama. Oh, he pulls and pulls. He's putting so much work into it. He says, I can do it, Mama. Even though I've already made a mess. Oh, we got it. No, Mama has to take this. You can't have that part. You know better. Did you get all tired out now? Is that all? Is that all? Huh? This is what we do on a rainy day, huh? We play. Tell Mama. Oh. 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 Is that it? Is that it, Bubba? Oh, get it. Nope. You can't have that. You can have that, though. There's a bunch more. It's a bunch more. Okay. You be a good boy. Say goodbye to Mama. Say, I love you, Mamas.